Welcome back to Lavender Smile channel. In this video, I'll be doing a lavender, a purple wig and style. I may cut as well. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you for subscribing, and please remember, whoever has not subscribed us yet, please subscribe, thumbs up as well, and comment. Yes, this is what we'll be doing today, guys. It's the purple rage, and it's purple, it's lavender, it's our channel. 1-inch 1816, and there is the clothes, some style with it as well, included in this video. And Carlana will be wearing this quick weave wig. Blue is because I am using a stocking cap, so a wig cap, or so I'm going to put it as low as I can to here. I already measured it, and to the next side to about there. She hasn't got any ears, but I know her measurement. And I get this around to about there. Sometimes you go over depending, but I'm going to go slightly over this one. Usually I use a black cap, but it'll be fine this time. Like that, and it's a pony. This is the lace closure that came with it. It really doesn't, you know, you can't tweeze here because it has the band. That's fine. It's not, and I'm going to color right in here. And then I'm going to take my time and color between here. The color of your choice, of your skin tone that you like. But I want to cut the lace. I don't always cut the lace on someone's face. It can be done, but I like to use a small scissors. If you practice enough, you can use whatever you choose, but I'm teaching, I'm sure I'm teaching students and young ladies and everyone. So this is what I'm using, a smaller scissors, and then a steady hand, and we'll cut it. We'll have to cut. So I want to cut the lace. Since I'm not cutting, I needed to have here closer to cut the lace. Use a smaller scissors to start to cut the lace, even if you have to take your time to go in there. Just cut from out here first, and then take your very time and get yourself a little bit in there. And in here I'm going to color, because as you know, it's not a full lace. So I suggest a scissors first with a steady hand. You can pull this and tack that down on your mannequin if you're doing that. You stretch it and you hold it, and then you always start cutting from here gradually up to about there. Here, about here. And then I'm going to cut here, and I'm going around. I tell you, it's going to ride up. Easy now to keep that tack down, and then you know that this is down, the tack is down real good here, just like it was on your scalp. And then that's when you're gonna take your time and go in. You can zigzag if you want. Don't go too close. Go and zig and zig and zig and zig, and then you know it's best. You go again, take your time, and you don't want the scissors too dull, too sharp, but there it is. but we're gonna still go in, but not yet. So that's about that. All right. You can always put some baby hair on that, and you just sneak in here and you sneak in there and you sneak in there. You take your time. Okay, guys. I'm turning it around, depends on your complexion. I'm using this one, and then I'm gonna color in here, deep in here. Can mix your coloring for what color you need. Just, you know, to get that in there. So you can see this is going there. This will fit in here. Usually can do this part first, but I'm doing it like that. And then make sure everything is blending there. I'm going to pin and make sure and get this. Okay. Video have to wrap up. I'm just doing my fingers. I know you have to smooth it and everything, but I'm just doing this quick. I want a bun. I want something high here, so I'm making it quick. It's just finger work here now. I have to wrap this into the hair. I don't even have a mirror looking at, but I just want to put something in quickly into the hair. Just to give you a quick idea what can be done. And you pull it, and let's keep wrapping it a little bit. You can turn this chair from Carolina this side towards the camera to help our viewers out, because I'm not really, I want to do this quick and easy. To edit, to work fast. Can make it fancy by bringing it over, and you can just have it back. I don't want to wrap, I have to wrap this up. You can use gels and stuff, but I'm just including a hairstyle here. Hope the camera can see me. Please remember to subscribe while you're on camera. Bye guys. Thank you.